Welcome to my second attempt at building a mini Mongolian Ger. This time I come armed with more patience, better dexterity, and 1 hour's worth of YouTube videos on how to tie hitch knots. Though they are more commonly known around the world as yurts, I'm sticking with Ger since that's the Mongolian word for it. The basic components for the Ger are the lattice walls, the door, the crown, the 2 pillars, the rafters, the main cover, and the crown cover. The first step is to extend and raise the walls. The door frame is really important here because it determines the height of the wall and is the anchor to the structure. The door must always face south to protect it from the wind and to receive more sunlight. Something really cool I noticed in all the Gers I stayed in was that the lattice was held together with short pieces of rope at the pivot points. No nails, no screws. The entire thing is built just using rope fastenings. Next, the pillars are fastened to the crown and the first 4 rafters are looped along the edge of the wall and inserted into the crown. The crown, pillars, and rafters are beautifully painted and they're exposed on the inside. It's the touch that makes it feel like a home and a source of Mongolian pride. The crown lines are tied to the wall to provide more stability, and a brace is looped around the perimeter to prevent the weight of the rafters pushing down the walls. Let's skip ahead. With all of the rafters secured from the walls to the crown, we can start placing the cover. In a real Ger, you first fasten layers of felt on the roof and walls to give it the necessary insulation. Only then can you place the weatherproof covers over it. The 3 external braces are tied and tightened around the cover. Finally, the crown cover, called the yurt, is placed partially over the crown. This adjustable cover helps let in light during the day, regulate airflow, and shield the Ger from rain and wind. With the structure complete, we can now lay down some carpeting and furnish our little home with a couple of beds, a dresser, and most importantly, a stove to keep us warm on those freezing nights. These homes can be set up in an hour and taken apart even faster. And that's it. Now you know how to build a Ger too.